that can't be allowed, that cannot be overlooked, and have my assurance that shall not be overlooked.
But CM has said that she's going to arrange it.
The Chief Minister
Chief
has
Minister
said that
says
there
she's
will be
going to
one
arrange
Minister
it.
assured today that she will control it properly. Will take care properly. Are you?
From 2nd May till this date, what have you seen? If your eyes and ears are shut, I can't help. Look at the videos. Look at the reports. Look at what is happening to women. Imagine if it happens to someone known to us. Look at children. Look at houses, shops, offices being torched on political considerations. What steps have been taken? Words are no substitute for action. Be very clear about it.
But he said she was not in chair.
Don't put it. Examine it. Who is in chair? You perhaps have no idea of law. She is in chair. When was Model Code of Conduct lifted? Can you tell me? Sir, media has to rise to the occasion. Don't fail democracy. Search your conscience. Don't take things as if it is a directive. Can you tell me when Model Code of Conduct ended? It ended officially. Still someone says I am not in authority. What does that mean? You take it just as it is. My appeal to media with folded hands. Please, for heaven's sake, in a times of this,
It is under election commission.
why don't you understand little bit of law? Model Code of Conduct came to an end when? Are you aware of it? Anything said you believe? Media is expected to do some due diligence.
So it is a failure of.
Don't engage into argument. Find out for yourself. I can't make up for ignorance.
ये ममता बनर्जी पर आपका सीधा हमला है।
सीधा हमला नहीं है, मेरा हमला किसी पर नहीं है। मेरी एक विनती है, लोगों को मरने के लिए नहीं छोड़ सकते, रेट्रिब्यूटिव वायलेंस को परमिट नहीं कर सकते, आगजनी को बढ़ावा नहीं दे सकते, औरतों के साथ बलात्कार को परमिट नहीं कर सकते, बच्चों के साथ हिंसा बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकते। क्या प्रमोट करते हैं इसको? फॉर हेवन सेक आई अपील टू मीडिया, इट इज एन occasion. Search your conscience, live up to your highest traditions. And if you buy a narrative, check the constitutional foundation of that. Who was an authority on 3rd, 4th and 5th May? I leave it to media to think about it.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने फोन किया था आपको सर?
One question, sir. अरे भाई, sir, one question, sir.
Prime Minister called me. He was deeply concerned. He was deeply hurt. He wanted things to get into normalcy. People from all over the world have been calling me. Bengali diaspora has been sending me mails. They are shocked beyond belief. They could never imagine in land of culture this could happen. And this is what has happened. Prime Minister of the country has left nothing undone. Prime Minister and Home Minister are in touch. I have appealed to the Chief Minister right from 2nd May several times. As first servant, it is my duty to be in touch with her. I don't buy this narrative who was in authority on 2nd May, 3rd May, 4th May. I know it. Action should have been taken. Tangible steps should have been there. There have been press releases for simple things. Has there been a single press release that all police officials, all administrative officials, where such kind of violence takes place, will be made to suffer?
Sir, one question.
Has there been anyone?
Sir, one question. Sir, during election time, BJP President Dilip Ghosh said, if they win, change and revenge will take place.
Sir,
is this
Sir,
responsible for this?
Should you be asking me this question when you are selling a narrative that from 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th May?
Is it responsible for
I
this
don't
situation?
respond that. Any party, any politician must respect the constitution. But you don't look at the big picture. Imagine someone known to you, a child known to you, a woman known to you, a girl known to you, a house belonging to someone known to you, being so ruthlessly torched. Is it democracy? Can it happen without state support? Is it not state support terrorism? Search your hearts. If you look at media and newspapers, it doesn't find reflection.
Thank you.
Something happened in Delhi. There was a tweet by the leader. Has there been any strong message? I don't mean to mince words. It is time for action. Situation has to be saved. It is far more grim than I have narrated to you.
ಸರ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್